Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to back in my Tibetan class. And the last week I explained about the 30 consonants and the four vowels and also the composite letters. Okay. So today I am going to teach you the three root of vowels. Okay. Okay. So these three letters are the three root of vowels. Okay, three root of vowels. Okay, in Tibetan we called nga ru za wa sum, nga ru za wa sum. Okay, it means ngaro means it's the vowel or sound or tones. Okay, and zawa means the root, okay, root. And sum means it's three, okay, three. So nga ru zawa sum, nga ru zawa sum, okay. Okay, it's like this. And before we learn these characters and the three root of vowels, I want to explain about this primary shape. Okay, I give here a primary shape with different colors and the three root of vowels. Okay, so here the yellow one is a high tone. It means it's a high tone. Okay, and right one is it's a medium tone. Okay, medium tone, and green and blue one is lower tone. Okay, lower tone. So and also here one different difference. There is one difference. Okay, that is and the aspiration and unaspiration. Okay, so this side, yellow and green one is the left side. This side is unaspiration. Okay, unaspiration, and the right side, red and blue one is the aspiration one. Okay, so here the green and the blue one basically is basically the lower tone, but difference is that the aspiration and unaspiration. Okay, so it's like this. And why I give the colors with here, because it's a color help you to differentiate the sound or tone or vowels. Okay, which one is high tone, which one is medium tone, which one is lower tone. Okay, it help you and help you to recognize easily and to differentiate. Okay, so that's it. Actually, I give here a brief introduction, a brief explanation about the colors here. Okay, you can read here. If you can read the English, you can read here. Okay, so that's it. Then we learn. Now we start to learn these three root vowels, the how to read and how to write. Okay, so here we go. So this one is ah 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 ah. It's a high tone. Okay, ah ah. Okay, then ah. Okay, and how to write. Okay, I will show you how to write ah. Okay, and so we can write like this. First, hate. Okay, first you have to write the hate. Okay, then second here 4 steps. Okay, and second you can write like this. Then third you can draw like this. Then fourth step like this. Okay, so this is ah ah ah, high tone. Okay, high tone. It's a high tone. Ah. Okay, so that's it. And the second one is this is ha 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 ha. It's as medium tone or sound or vowels. It's a ha 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 ha. Okay, it's like this. So how to write this one? Okay, I will show. It's the same. We have to write this one. So first the head. Okay, head. Then there is 2 steps like this. Okay, this is ha ha ha. Okay, it's a medium sound or tones. Okay, then the third one. Okay, third one. This one. It's ah lower tone, lower sound. Okay, ah ah. Okay, when you pronounce this character, there comes a vibration on your throat. Okay, you can check by your hand. Check. You can check by your hand. Okay, sorry. It's like this. Okay, ah. Okay, it's like this. Okay, and so how to write this one? I will show you. Okay, it's the same. First, we have to write the head, then second is left, then third. It's like this. Okay, this is ah ah ah. Okay, it's like this. Okay, so and also this one, the ha. Okay, this one. You know, when you pronounce this one, okay, there comes a ear. Okay, on from your mouth. Okay, you can check by your hand also. Okay, it's a ha ha ha. Okay, it's a there's coming ear. Okay, if there is not coming ear, then your pronunciations maybe is going to wrong way. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, so today that's it. Then next for the next week, I will teach you the 4 vowels. Okay, 4 vowels. Okay, as in Tibetan language, there's 4 vowels. I will teach you for next week the 4 vowels. 4 vowels. Okay, okay, that's it.